Control panel. You can use Control panel to change settings for Windows.
Add.
The Control panel also provides options for adding or removing programs.
Set up.
The Control panel also provides options for setting up network connections.
Format.
You can also choose the format for dates and times.
Display.
November 4th, 2007 can be displayed as 4th November 2007, November 4th, 2007, or in various other formats.
Digital.
You can change the desktop background to a picture, for example, a personal photo taken with a digital camera.
Desktop.
There are unused icons on your desktop.
Wallpaper.
A picture on the desktop background is also known as wallpaper.
Image.
If a computer screen shows the same image for a very long time, it can leave a permanent impression.
Screensaver.
To avoid this, you can choose a screensaver. Wireless network. You can also turn off the laptop to disconnect from the